How many people fit on this 777?
300, but there are only 200 today.
So the 200 people that are on this flight are now impacted by this one person who accidentally touched this one thing boarding the flight. And now we're all...
But it's an accident.
An accident. Now all of us are getting off this flight and getting on another. Really bad. 777 that deplaned because someone accidentally touched something as they were getting on the flight. Wow. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? New York, I'm still coming. And because they touched this thing, they have to now retest and pressurize the plane to make sure that we'll be safe when we are in the air. They have to move the plane back from the jet bridge. They have to test the pressurization of the plane and then get everyone back on the flight. What I did was put myself on another flight. I'm still going to go on standby on this one in case they manage to somehow do all this within an hour or so. But otherwise, I will be catching a 1 p.m. into JFK rather than waiting around for them to figure out if this plane is safe enough to fly or not. I've got a backup plan. Only to look into the app moments later and realize that that flight has also been delayed for reasons unknown. The flight is scheduled to depart at 1 p.m. Now taking off at 2:30 p.m. So what's a girl to do? I go to customer service and the guy says the counter's closed. But that he'll help me. Very nice gentleman. We find out that there is a 12:40 flight going into LaGuardia. And he kindly puts me on that flight. Standby though. I'm number 1 on the list. It's 11:45, so it's about that time to, start boarding. I'm going standby. I want to be early. Pull up to the counter. And that flight has also been delayed by only 40 minutes. So now I'm technically on 3 different flights. So let's see which one takes off first. In the meanwhile, I just came to the lounge real quick. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. Banana. I'm waiting for the cookies to come out. And hopefully I'll get to my destination. Sweating a little bit. We had the original flight I was on. Finally reboarding. So no need to fly standby to LaGuardia or get on the slightly later flight that I booked. We're off. So I made it to New York. My original flight ended up making it out before any of the other flights I tried to book myself on as a backup plan. Despite all the drama this morning, it was a great day. I made it just in time to get some work done. and to make it to dinner. I went to Corner Store. Amazing food there. If you haven't tried it, you should. They have a great French dip sandwich. It is my favorite. They also have a lobster caviar situation that is just to die for. Tomorrow I am excited to go see some art. It is my thing. It is some big art shows going on. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cutlass, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. I am going to meet a friend to look at some art, and I am running extremely late. I'm trying to catch a cab because I figured it might be easier than waiting on an Uber, and this traffic looks insane. I might be able to walk faster than ride. Let's see. Alright, not so much on the walking. It was a little bit further than I thought. And the traffic opened up a little bit and I found a cab. So, we're almost there. I made it! I'm late and my friend is mad at me. Somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cutlass, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cutlass, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 Cutlass, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody.
gonna need somebody to pray. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, damn, order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Hey. Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley?
You guys think this is real Banksy for sale? Or not?
Where the fuck the function?
Left the first show, going to the next. I saw some Banksy on the corner. Maybe. I think it's real. I think we should have bought a piece.
You do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad and them pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Where the fuck the function? Get nasty, impress me.
Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Yanni? Is it Marty? What's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
I felt judged today because we entered the art show and I noticed a tequila lounge and I perked up. But then I was quickly judged as to why I wanted a drink at 1 o'clock. It was 1 o'clock. It's. I think that's a respectable. It's 5 p.m. somewhere at 1 o'clock. It would have been okay. Thought it would have been okay. Clearly, it wasn't.
Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up. The bitches, I don't get it, you're a star love. both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you? What are you so afraid of? Darling, you give, but you cannot take love.
It has been a morning already, and it is literally taking forever to get from downtown to midtown. Literally forever. Pray for me. I'm about to miss this whole luncheon.
I did finally make it to the Studio Museum in Harlem Spring Luncheon. The annual luncheon celebrates the ingenuity and innovation of outstanding individuals in the cultural arts. It's hosted at the Mandarin Oriental that provides epic views and gives us a moment to celebrate and give back to those who give so much in the community.